Hi friends, it's Chanel with the Hip Kit Club Design Team. I'm here to show you another process video on how I made this bright, colorful layout using the March 26 kit. Here I am cutting strips. My layout's going to consist mostly of stacked strips, so it's a great layout to do with some scraps. My strips are 1 inch wide, and I am going to score them with my scoring tool through the middle, just to give them a little dimension so they stand up off my page. I'm using the branding strips as well. These are great little tools to use on layouts. They are at the bottom of the Hip Kit Club pattern papers, and they have some unique designs that the kit may not have. So I'm cutting these with ribbon shape at the bottom with my scissors. I'm also going to use some scallop circles on my layout. So I'm preparing my Sizzix die cutter here with the scallop dies, and I am going to choose some pattern papers to cut circles. I do use 5 circles, 1 large one and 4 small ones for my layout. Okay, our strips and circles are cut, and I'm getting ready to assemble my layout. You'll notice the background is a polka dot paper. I do change my mind later because I don't like the way the scallops work with the polka dots. I do love the scallop paper, and the polka dot is my favorite. But I had to put it on a solid cardstock that I used from the March kit as well. Here I am assembling my strips, just laying them across the page. I have cut a ribbon cut on one side and left them square on the other. So here is where I'm starting over with my different pattern paper. This is a real life video, so I changed my mind, but that's okay. As I assemble my strips, I realize that I need to cut more strips, so you will see me move off camera to cut a few more strips out of different pattern papers. And I have all of the strips assembled. I am putting my photo on. It is 4 by 5. It's a picture of my sons at home with our puppy Lucy. We always have a dog in the house. Love these guys. So I am assembling my layout with adding a little few embellishments here and there. I have made a flower cluster on the bottom left. I use foam adhesive to make it stand up off the page, and I love this tag. If you'll notice in the tag, I use paper as the ribbon. I just simply cut a little strip and put it through the slit, made it resemble a ribbon. I'm looking for more die cuts to go behind my photo. I love the look of layers, and I'm looking for things that I can stack behind the lots of fun die cuts. The wonderful thing about the die cuts included in the hip kits is that you can cut them and still use parts of them later. So here I am cutting one in half, but I will save the title to use on a later layout, So you can cut them as you need them for size. I am slipping it behind my photo. I love the layers. You can add something a little extra. And here's my layout, but we're not finished yet. I need to add some letters as a title. I've chosen some puffy stickers from the March kit. The circles match my circle theme so well, so I have little puffy stickers randomly placed on the page. And I'm using some letters. The blue letters are from the February kit, but the green and pink letters are the glitter letters, the mini alphas from the March kit. so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.